Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear brake pad and rotor on 2006 Chrysler Crossfire. Okay, let's get it started guys. So you see the pen in here. I need to adjust the cameras a little bit because it's the sun. Okay, it's good. You see the pen here, we need to remove the pens out, so then we can remove the pad. Just knock it a little bit and use a small punch pen here. Yeah, here you go. See the pen, just remove it, and after twist the piston, caliper piston in, and you can pull the brake pads out. See the pad, it come out. We remove both sides, okay? To come out, and the bolt inside here, the caliper bolt here, we use number 16mm. Okay, let me remove it. We use the wrench. It's a very simple, it's not that hard on the rear one, so just knock this out and knock on the bottom. Okay, it's out right now. Let me push. Okay, let me bring the long screwdriver to check the caliper a little bit. Yeah, we have two ways to do it, okay? To check the caliper, one we use the long screwdriver to check the caliper, twist it, make sure the caliper go in. It means the caliper still good. Oh yeah, it's caliper in right now. It's good one side. Then I'm gonna do the other side, okay? We have they have double piston, this one for each side. So let me take out the screw, and one more procedure, you can use the caliper tool here, okay? This one won't work for this car, so just check it, push it one side and leave it. It's time to remove the rotor, okay? The rotor screw in here we use T30. T30, just remove it, okay? Very simple. Yeah, here you go. Let's pull the rotor out softly. Let me go get a new rotor. Yeah, the new rotor is coming. It's a new rotor. The customer bought it. She bought I don't know what to call the rotor in here, but they have the hose in here. What do we call this one? The rotor that you bought them? Bữa gì đâu hói hay đấy? Đâu hói bữa gì à? Khôi toàn bán đôi. Bồ la nó bữa gì bị chắp ấy, khai khôi bên đất lo. Okay, see it? Very simple. So then it's time to install the caliper. But before you install it, make sure you clean up the surface of the rotor or the caliper a little bit, okay? Just with the screwdriver, just clean it. We don't want too much rust around it. So okay, so just put it back in. This one very simple, just plug and play on the rear rotor and pad. It's very simple. Just install the number 16mm bolts to install it one on the bottom, one on the top and one on the bottom. I want to put the camera to the other side, but it's hard to put it. The car is too low. Let's tie it. Tightening it's perfect. It's tight enough. Okay, here you go. Clean this one. Let me move the camera to this side so that you can see much clearly how install the brake pad. Okay, make sure it's push. You need to push the caliper piston. Put the push caliper piston all the way in for one side, okay, and install a new brake pad. Yeah, just push the piston all the way in, then you can install the new brake pad, okay. Just try to put it. You see it? It's in out softly. It means it's very good. And try to push the piston, the brake caliper piston on the other side too. Okay, so perfect. Let me try to install. You see it in out. The pad in out smoothly. It's very good. It's time to install the new pen. Look at okay how to install it. It's in now. It's perfect. How come it's so hard to install this one? It's brand new pen. Brand new pen, a little bit tougher. Okay, just keep moving it. Here you go. And unlock it. Keep pushing it. It's almost done, guys. And use the hammer knock a little bit. Yeah, knock until, let me show the pin. Just knock until, you know, like this pin here completely in. Okay, it's very important to knock it all the way in smoothly. Let me show you. You see it? Smooth. So right now it's all set for one side. Okay guys, this is how to install a new brake pan rotor on old set Chrysler Crossfire. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Any questions, just let me know. Thank you.